it's Connie from Thoughts to Treasures. Today we are going to be making a Thanksgiving fall pumpkin shelf sitter tier tray. So we're going to be using these decals that I cut on my Cricut and some Waverly pumpkin, some Waverly truffle, and some antiquing wax, and of course some raffia. So we're going to start with our pumpkin first. I do want to tell you, these boards are from the Dollar Tree. I took the paper design that was on them. They have them for almost every season, and then I just cut them. You can go to the wood store, or Lowe's, Home Depot as I call them, the wood store, and pick up anything, or if you have leftovers. But these are just simple blocks from the Dollar Tree that came in like a 12 foot, maybe, I don't know, 14 inch long, 12 inches, 14 inches long, and just cut them down to the size that I wanted. So it's going to be smaller, or the bigger one in the middle and the smaller, so it's going to be in the shape of a pumpkin. You'll see that as we get further along. But you're just going to give each one of these a coating of paint, get it as thick as you want, as you know, if you want a more rusticy looking one, don't put so much paint on. If you want it more defined, then you want to put more on. So now here I'm taking some antique wax and just putting it around the edges, giving it that rusticy look, because that's the kind of look I wanted to go for. And guys, remember, if you are inspired to make one of these, you are more than welcome to join Thoughts to Treasures Crafty Friends group. It's a free group to join, and you can post your pictures there. I'd love to see them. Now the top piece, the pumpkin stem, we are actually doing in truffle. Giving it a good coat. And now see how I layered them together, where there's two smaller ones and the bigger one in the middle to give it that pumpkin shape. So now we're just going to take our decals. Again, if you guys are not able to get decals, you can write on them, you can use stamps, or you can contact me. I do sell just the decals for such things like this. So you would just give me the measurements and we would work it out. Everything's customizable. They'll come to you on the transfer tape like that. So we're just going to put each one on, and then put our final one on. So it's going to say gather, give thanks, and eat pie. So you want to make sure you put them in that order, because you don't want to eat pie at top. So I'm going to use the wood glue, and of course we're going to use some hot glue for the quick fix. And we're just going to stack them together. This is a really simple project, and it's cute. I did use two different fonts on this because I wanted the Eat Pie to stand out better. And I used more of a script font on the other ones. And again, we're going to do the same thing with the pumpkin stem itself. Creating it to where it just has that stack. Now it looks like a pumpkin. But wait, we're not done. Nothing's complete without some raffia. So we're going to add some raffia to this to make a little bow for the top. And I did not want to hide the words at all, so I just wrapped some twine around the raffia and to make a little bow. And we did trim this down. So I put the raffia up higher and we're going to add a sunflower to it, because nothing's complete without fall without sunflower. And there you go. There's the finished product. I hope this inspires you to make one. And if you do, we'd love to see it. Join my page. We'd also love to have you there.